E-commerce. Electronic commerce or e-commerce, sometimes written as e-commerce, is a business model that lets firms and individuals buy and sell things over the internet. Transaction of money, funds, and data are also considered as e-commerce. These business transactions can be done in 4 ways: business to business, B2B, business to customer, B2C, customer to customer, C2C, customer to business, C2B. Mobile computers. Mobile computing is a generic term that refers to a variety of devices that allow people to access data and information from wherever they are. Mobile computing transports data, voice, and video over a network via a mobile device. Types of mobile computing devices. Personal digital assistant, PDA, sometimes called pocket computers. PDAs are handheld devices that combine elements of computing, telephone/fax, internet, and networking in a single device. Smartphones. Tablet PCs. Apple iOS. Google Android. Windows Phone. Palm OS. Symbian OS. Supercomputers. Supercomputer, any of a class of extremely powerful computers. The term is commonly applied to the fastest high-performance systems available at any given time. Such computers have been used primarily for scientific and engineering work requiring exceedingly high-speed computations. The Cray 1 supercomputer, c. 1976. Supercomputers play an important role in the field of computational science, and are used for a wide range of computationally intensive tasks in various fields, including quantum mechanics, weather forecasting, climate research, oil and gas exploration, molecular modeling, etc. Computer-controlled cars. Throughout the car are various computers called electronic control units, or ECUs, the traffic lights and intersections of our road system analogy. Each ECU has several jobs: controlling the engine or transmission, rolling up windows, unlocking doors, and the like. Helping the handicapped. Accessibility features are designed to help people with disabilities use technology more easily. For example, a text-to-speech feature may read text out loud for people with limited vision, while a speech recognition feature allows users with limited mobility to control the computer with their voice. Educational software where the computer provides multi-sensory experiences, interaction, positive reinforcement, individualized instruction, and repetition can be useful in skill building. Robotics. Robotics is an interdisciplinary research area at the interface of computer science and engineering. Robotics involves design, construction, operation, and use of robots. The goal of robotics is to design intelligent machines that can help and assist humans. Robotics is the intersection of science, engineering, and technology that produces machines, called robots, that substitute for, or replicate, human actions. Pop culture has always been fascinated with robots. These robots consist mainly of mechanical arms tasked with welding or screwing on certain parts of a car. Virtual reality. Virtual reality, VR, is a simulated experience that can be similar to or completely different from the real world. Applications of virtual reality include entertainment. Virtual reality, VR, refers to a computer-generated simulation in which a person can interact within an artificial three-dimensional environment using electronic devices, such as special goggles with a screen or gloves fitted with sensors. Virtual reality technology is used to create immersive experiences that can help educate and even entertain consumers. Outside of its popular gaming use case, virtual reality is applied in a variety of industries, such as medicine, architecture, military, and others. Bluetooth. Bluetooth is a wireless technology standard used for exchanging data between fixed and mobile devices over short distances using UHF radio waves in the industrial, scientific, and medical radio bands, from 2.402 GHz to 2.480 GHz, and building personal area networks, PANs. Bluetooth technology is a short-range wireless communications technology to replace the cables connecting electronic devices, allowing a person to have a phone conversation via a headset, use a wireless mouse and synchronize information from a mobile phone to a PC, all using the same core system. Advantages and disadvantages of Bluetooth. It avoids interference from other wireless devices. It has lower power consumption. It is easily upgradable. It has range better than infrared communication. The Bluetooth is used for voice and data transfer. Bluetooth devices are available at very cheap cost. No line of sight hands can connect through any obstacles. Although both are wireless forms of communication, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi differ in terms of their purpose, capabilities, and other factors. Bluetooth allows for short-range data transfer between devices. Wi-Fi, on the other hand, allows devices to connect to the Internet. A Bluetooth-registered trademark device works by using radio waves instead of wires or cables to connect with your cell phone, smartphone, or computer. Bluetooth is a wireless short-range communications technology standard found in millions of products we use every day, including headsets, smartphones, laptops, and portable speakers. Enhancing user experience. The best way to improve user experience is to understand user behavior. If you don't know what people do when they arrive on your website, how can you optimize for future visitors? Scroll maps, for instance, show you where on a long-form page people stop scrolling. Usable, site must be easy to use. Desirable, image, identity, brand, and other design elements are used to evoke emotion and appreciation. Findable, content needs to be navigable and locatable on-site and off-site. Accessible, content needs to be accessible to people with disabilities. 8 ways to make your website more user-friendly. Listen to your users. Take the time to ask your regular visitors what they'd like to see on your page. Speed it up. Provide in-depth information. Make navigation intuitive. Choose color carefully. Improve your site layout. Pay attention to CTAs. Beef up your contact page. Flash memory. Description: flash memory is an electronic non-volatile computer memory storage medium that can be electrically erased and reprogrammed. The two main types of flash memory, NOR flash and NAND flash, are named after the NOR and NAND logic gates. Flash memory, data storage medium used with computers and other electronic devices. Unlike previous forms of data storage, flash memory is an EEPROM, electronically erasable programmable read-only memory, form of computer memory and thus does not require a power source to retain the data. After seeing how the erasing process works, a Toshiba colleague named Shiji Ariizumi thought it reminded him of the camera flash in photography and how quickly a scene is illuminated, so he suggested that Matsuoka name the new technology flash memory. Flash memory, a special type of memory that works like both RAM and ROM. You can write information to flash memory, like you can with RAM, but that information isn't erased when the power is off, like it is with ROM.